Hi there guys and girls. I just dropped by here in a gasoline station and at the same time what's this? Shop, auto shop. Ano nga ulit tawag sa ganitong shop?
Ha?
Ano nga to?
Maxim Tire.
Hindi, itong shop nyo, ano tawag sa ganito?
Repairs.
Hindi, ano tong tawag na to? Mechanical shop?
Oh, ano? Maxim Tire yan dito
Oh.
Repairs.
Alright. So, I inquired to Sir, may problem with my ever-loving wagon because I'm not comfortable of driving. The accelerator doesn't function well. Some kind of a slow and some kind of a hard, and when I'm on a high road, it's some kind of a difficult to drive. So he's checking it, and according to him, there's a problem with the transmission. Baka may pangtanggal po kayo dyan.
Kasi mayroon pa akong ginagawa sir. Tapos sigmura muna yun.
Ganun ba? Di ba pwedeng isingit na lang muna ako? So he will try to do what he can do the best for my ever-loving wagon. Bye for now.